Hi everyone, Mama J here. I used the University of YouTube for many projects, and so I thought it was time that I give back. So I'm working on a project in my kitchen today that I really couldn't find anything useful on YouTube that fit my particular situation, so I thought maybe others would find this helpful too. So I'll turn the camera around and explain what I'm doing. So this is a Frigidaire Gallery. It's not particularly new, but the countertops are. And before I had Formica, and this, as you can see, is granite. So the problem is that previously the dishwasher anchored underneath the Formica, and I can't drill into the granite to hold it steady. So what I'm doing today is replacing these top mount clips with side mount clips. And so what I've done here is I've unscrewed from the side and put this bracket on. So what this does is it allows me to drill into the neighboring cabinet to anchor on the side. And so I just put these on. It took a special tip on the screwdriver. I don't know how to make this work. So, I don't know if you can see that. It's a star-shaped tip. And this particular screwdriver has a whole bunch of extra tips of different sizes. And I can honestly say this is the first time I've used this particular one, but it was handy to have it. So unscrewed both sides, put the new clips on. I just used the screws that were already there, although the packet did come with extra screws of varying lengths, but I just replaced it with the ones that were already there. So now when I pushed the dishwasher in, I figured out which of these two holes I needed to use, and it's actually the closer one. So next I'm going to take a couple pliers and break off. Let me get on this side, see if you can see it better. You can see that there's a score mark right here. I'm going to take a couple of pliers and just bend it, one to hold it and one to bend it, and break this off. And then I can drill through this hole into both cabinets on either side and anchor. So I'll get back to you in just a second because I'm going to need both hands for this next part. All right, so you can see that I've now broken off this extra tab. And so this part you can just discard. You're not going to need it again. All right, now I'm going to push the dishwasher back in and then mark my drilling spot. All right, so I have the dishwasher pushed back in, and I found, I think this is one of my daughter's old pencils from school, and I'm just going to mark on either side where I want to drill, and then that I'll drill a pilot hole with my little drill. So I'm going to get a bit and get going on this part. So this is just a little handheld battery operated. I got this one pretty recently and I dig it. It's not so heavy that your arms get super tired, since women don't have the upper body strength. Anyway, I really like that. So I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so I got the brackets attached to the cabinet, leveled the dishwasher with the leveling legs on the bottom, and I think we're done. Let me show you what I did. All right, you can see the bracket is screwed into the cabinet on both sides, and it doesn't come through on the other side. Just a nice, smooth flush. So then the dishwasher door will still close. And then, in case you're wondering, I did level the legs using a socket in the front and the back, because I noticed that the right side was a little low. So Now we're level. Used my handy dandy little leveler. Love this thing. And then I have a little, just an inexpensive socket set that I used for leveling the legs. And my least favorite part, cleaning up the mess. My daughter funny. Anyway, that's about it. So I think we're good. So on to the next project, but if there's something you're interested in learning about that I might be able to help, you can leave that below. I am handier than I look. And you can be too. All right, take care. Peace out, mamas.